This quick tutorial shows the steps to sync data between a Google Sheets spreadsheet and a department. Note that the email addresses are with errors. So, for our example, I will update this information by changing the Google Sheets spreadsheet. Done. Now, I will click on Sync Data and select the unique key. The email fields have changed, so I cannot select the field. The name field is a good choice. In this second part, you can see how to add new employees from the Google Sheets spreadsheet. Again, I'll click Sync and choose a unique key. The employee is added.